Top 3 businesses you can start in 2026 with under $1,000. If you think you need tens of thousands of dollars to start a business, that belief alone might be the biggest thing holding you back. In 2026, capital matters, but leverage matters more. The smartest businesses today aren't built on storefronts or massive payrolls. They're built on skills, systems, and demand that already exists. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 3 businesses you can realistically start in 2026 with under $1,000, why they work, and what actually makes them profitable. No fluff, no get rich quick, just real opportunities. Business number 1, AI-powered service business. This isn't about building AI software. It's about using AI as a tool to deliver services faster and cheaper. Examples include AI-assisted content creation for small businesses, AI chatbots for customer service, resume writing, or business plans using AI workflows. Social media management with automation tools, startup costs, AI tools or subscriptions, website or landing page, basic marketing. Total, usually $200, $600. Why this works in 2026? Businesses want efficiency, not complexity. Most owners don't want to learn AI themselves. You're selling outcomes, not technology. The key is positioning. You're not an AI expert. You're a problem solver who uses AI behind the scenes. Business. Number 2, digital consulting or compliance services. This is one of the most overlooked opportunities. Every year, more people start businesses, and most of them have no idea how to set up their structure correctly, stay compliant, manage filings, licenses, or admin tasks. If you can help with business formation support, credit building guidance, basic bookkeeping setup, grant or funding preparation, you can start with a website or booking link, templates and checklists, education plus systems, startup costs, website plus tools, training or certification, optional but helpful. Total $300, $1,000. Why this works? High trust, far your recurring clients, low overhead scales with systems, not hours. This business grows through reputation and referrals, not ads. Business number 3, niche service. Business, local or industry specific, generic services struggle. Niche services win. Instead of saying, I help everyone, you say, I help HVAC companies get funding. I help real estate investors organize finances. I help e-commerce brands manage cash flow. Examples: virtual operations support, lead qualification services, appointment setting, industry-specific marketing or admin startup costs, phone, laptop, internet simple CRM, or scheduling tool branding, plus outreach. Total $500 or less. Why this works in 2026. Niches trust specialists, easier to stand out, higher pricing power. You don't need thousands of clients, just the right ones. What all 3 businesses have in common: they don't require inventory, employees on day 1 office space. They do require discipline, learning how money flows, understanding what clients actually value. Most businesses don't fail because of money. They fail because of poor structure and unrealistic expectations. Starting a business in 2026 isn't about chasing trends. It's about building something simple, useful, and scalable. Under $1,000 is enough if you build smart. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more business and funding strategies, and check the link in the description if you want help positioning or funding your business the right way, because ideas don't fail, execution does.